Hi, in this lesson, I will teach you how to convert HTML to JSX in one click. Without further ado, let's begin. As you can see in the screen, I have a fresh installation of React. And let's jump to our code editor to make it happen. Now, in our code editor, the purpose of this video is to show you how you can code faster with VS Code plugin. As you can see in the screen, I have a functional component. I will erase everything. I will add another function, RASCE, okay, tab. So if you can't do this, probably you don't have this extension, okay? So if you do not, so go install it, okay? So after that, I have, let me add fragment. So I have the HTML ready. So the problem is when you have a bunch of, HTML, for example, in this example, as you can see, we have a bunch of things, okay? But you could do, click on the class and with control, if you are using, Windows, control plus F2 to select all class, but you will still have things to fix. Okay, so if you save, as you can see, we still have things to fix, but we are going to do this another way. Okay, so what I'm going to do, so you're going to install, this extension, HTML to JSX. Okay, this, okay, as you can see, I have it installed already. Okay, so what I will do, I will select all my HTML code, okay, because it will be more faster. Okay, click right and convert HTML to JSX. As you can see, in one click, I have my everything set up, okay, and save, okay. But I have pre-installed, this is a bootstrap. I've pre-installed, the style sheet for the carousel, and I have also the CSS, and also I have added the JavaScript, okay? And we save, and if you want to take a look in our code editor, okay, guys, as you can see, in one click, I have this very large HTML file, fixed in 1 second. Probably 2 seconds. Okay, so that was it, guys. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so that more people can watch our video. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.